Arjun had always lived a comfortable life. Money, friends, and success came easily to him, until one year, everything changed. His business failed, close friends drifted away, and his health began to decline. Each day felt heavier than the last. At first, Arjun cursed his fate. "Why me?" he'd ask, staring at the ceiling at night. But one evening, as he walked alone in the rain, he saw an old man selling tea under a broken umbrella. The man smiled at every customer, his eyes bright with warmth despite the storm. Curious, Arjun asked, "How can you be so happy in such hard times?" The man chuckled. "Son, bad times are like rain. You can curse the clouds or dance in the water. Either way, the storm will pass, but how you spend it will decide the story you tell later." Those words struck Arjun's heart. He realized that hardship was not the end, but a lesson, a chance to rebuild stronger, wiser, and kinder. Months later, Arjun's business revived, but more importantly, his spirit had grown. He learned that bad times aren't punishment, they're training for the better days ahead.